Hi there. Alright students, now let's move forward to look at some of the most powerful tools on the dashboard, the widgets and KPIs that helps the manufacturer or the company deliver top performance and stay ahead in the industry market. Widgets, your visual business snapshot. Widgets are interactive blocks that bring real-time data to your fingertip. Some common examples include sales funnel, see how leads are moving through the pipeline, inventory levels track stock status, alerts for overstock or shortages, financial overview, glimpse into revenue, expenses, and profit margins. Top selling products, know what's driving your sales. Aging reports, monitor overdue payables or receivables. Cash flow widget, see inflow versus outflow instantly. Project progress bars, track tasks, timelines and budgets. Procurement status, know what's pending, approved or received. Employee attendant, view shift logs, leaves and check-ins. These widgets help you act fast without digging into reports. KPIs track what matters most. Key performance indicators vary by department. Here are some important ones. Sales and CRM sales growth, lead conversion rate, average deal size, finance net profit margin, working capital ratio, accounts payable, receivable, inventory and supply chain, inventory turnover, stock out rate, supplier lead time, manufacturing and operations, OE, scrap rate, on-time delivery, HR and payroll, employee turnover, absenteeism rate, training hours per employee. These KPIs help you monitor performance, identify gaps, and take decisions with confidence. And that's a quick tour of widgets and KPIs in Lighthouse ERP. In the next video, we'll dive into exploring modules and menu navigation. If you're enjoying the journey, don't forget to like, share, and follow Lighthouse Alchemy. And feel free to comment below with any questions. We're here to help.